I'm going to teach you guys how to play Feliz Navidad, written by Feliciano. It means Merry Christmas or Happy Christmas in Spanish. It's very easy chord. We're going to use 3 chords in key of G. But before we start, shout out to Musikera, My Madigi, Toolmaker, Simply Ann, Hong Kong, John Rigonia, and 8 Black Keys. Thanks for watching! We're going to use 3 chords. C, in the 3rd fret, and 1st string. D, 2nd fret, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string. You can also use your thumb so that it will be easy to play. Next, G. 2nd fret, 3rd and 1st string, 3rd fret, 2nd string. And the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up for each chord pattern. I'm going to play the whole song, and we're going to play it 2 times, verse and chorus. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!